Hi everybody, it's me Mustafa. Welcome to my new adventure. Why is this an adventure? Because as today we're gonna eat green chili peppers. Well, why am I gonna eat green chili peppers? Am I a madman or a parrot? The backstory is I was watching some funny videos and I found a TikTok myth video about chilies. What? Today we're gonna test the myth about the green chilies and the science facts about them. Are green chilies less hot without seeds? Let's find out. Guys, I'm back. I've got a spicy one without seeds and these other four have seeds. I got water just in case. So now I wanna eat this one first. Hope I don't get too spicy.
Oh my God, Mustafa, what are you doing?
Just eating spice.
Why are you a parrot or what? And stop drinking water. Let me get you some milk.
Okay.
Have some milk.
Thank you. But why?
Are you feeling better now?
I got some on my lips.
You got some on your lips, but why on earth you are eating chilies?
I am doing an experiment.
What kind of experiment?
That are green pepper spiciless without seeds.
Oh, then you should drink more milk because milk is better than water if your mouth is burning because of spicy food.
Okay, mommy.
You know why is this?
Why?
Because chilies have a chemical compound called capsaicin, which is actually fat soluble. So when we drink milk, capsaicin gets dissolved in fat and oil already present in milk, and milk actually helps ease the burn. So always drink milk after eating spicy food.
Okay, mommy.
Okay, now you get it. I think I also gave you a little science fact why we should drink milk after eating spicy food.
No.
So now I told you, now you know.
Yep. I'm gonna try the one without seeds. Just wish me luck. Maybe I should eat more. That would be spicy. It's just a little spicy, but mostly they're not spicy. Oh, now it's heating up, but still, they're less spicier. That time, heat in chilies is because chemical compound capsaicin, which is present in inner white pit or rib of chilies. Seeds may be coated with some of capsaicin as they are close to the rib. So if you want to make chilies less hot, remove the white pit with seeds too. Bye, see you in my next adventure. Please come back. I almost forgot to tell you one thing. If you have a lot of spiciness, always make sure to drink milk. Bye.